Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Totaria's Health Magnesium 12-in-1 complex capsule. So this is kind of a dietary supplement that will help you out in many kind of deficiency, whether it is some kind of vitamin deficiency or mineral or any other magnesium deficiency. So this product has pretty much bold claims like 12-in-1 complex capsules. So it has glutamate, citrate, amylate and different other 12 capsules, and it has a bottle of 700 mgs for per serving, which is comprises of 120 capsules. And this product is actually an FDA registered facility, and I try to verify this, and I have a good news for you guys that it is actually FDA verified and GMP certified as well, and it is manufactured in USA, and they have actually a physical store. So they do have a physical existence, which is a major green signal. Apart from this, you can see like they have a really good ratings of 4.9 based on 46 reviews. So this product sounds like a really good supplement for someone who is suffering from deficiency of vitamins and every single other kind of deficiency. As you can see, people are very much satisfied and have seen great results and progress after using this supplement. Apart from this, this product is also available in Amazon, which means that they have passed through several safety checks. So this is a major green signal, and they have a 4.6 rating out of 5, which is based on 823 ratings reviews. So this is an excellent rating and also the authentic one because it is actually on Amazon. So in conclusion, I would say this product is legit and you can try buying this product according to your needs and wants. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this review was helpful for you, and hopefully I hope to see you in the next video.